How you doing, fam? Welcome back to part 2. To all of you that are new, my name is Jenner. It's part 2 on the fog light installation. Today we're gonna be pretty much talk about where the cables goes, how I run them through the car so we can reach the switch. Remember to always have your hands dry. You don't have to unplug the battery. You're not gonna get shocked. Relax. You'll be okay. So hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment. Don't be a stranger. Running the cables under my own over here. Take this part, just gotta honestly push it anywhere. There you go. It comes out. Easy. There's no need to like pull them out like most people do them. No, not this one. This one's very simple. Come out. Comes out. You just push them in. I'll run in the cables through here to connect to the battery. The cable should be away from the engine just in case the engine warms up, so I like running them under here. It's not right or wrong, but I wouldn't just do them under the engine, to be honest. Just do the connection, use the long one for the right one, the right fog, or I guess in this direction will be the left. But yes, if you're looking for the from back to front, use a long one. It's gonna be a short one, it's gonna be the one closest, so you slide it in down there. Connect it to the fog light or the light bulb. Let's see over here. So as you see, we're down here. Obviously this is where you're gonna connect it, and there it is. Just like magic, right? It's gonna be connected over here. Easy stuff, nothing hard, no magic or anything, So there it is, fam. I'm gonna put this one back on. Always leave a little extra wire for the fog so it won't be too stuck, too tight. Looks like we're good to go. And now just a connection. We'll definitely do a part 2. The sun's coming down. It's family time right now, so we're just gonna leave the wires, not like this obviously. We are gonna bring the car down because we won't need to go down there anymore. But we are gonna wrap the wires. Be careful leaving this part if you're doing it right now. Just waiting for my second part. Be careful with the wires. Don't let the engine touch. I mean, especially if you have the XSC, they're so electronically, so. Alright, fam, so as shown in the first video, the cables has 2 positive ones, which one is gonna attach. I did a little bolt here. It's metal to metal. Be sure to be metal to metal, not touch anything else. So that's what I did. The first one connection over here doesn't affect anything down here or behind. Nothing down here. The bolt goes nice in through here, so doesn't hurt. Nothing over here doesn't damage or scratches anything. As long as the cable, it's metal to metal. The other one is similar, goes right here on the battery. I put it right here on the positive, so positive and negative. This is the positive side. I pretty much unscrew this one over here, the little bolt, and then just put them in, and then it's okay, doesn't affect. You're not gonna get shocked, so just don't be with your hands wet. This fits right here, perfect. Then over here you see the cables, a couple zip ties. You can cut that later. Runs through over here. I did a little zip tie over here just because I have my intake over here. I don't want the cable moving around. Nothing doesn't affect anything. The cable does come protected with the plastic one through the water or anything, as long as it doesn't touch other cables, so it does come protected. Now, how are you gonna run the cables through the car? So what my friend did over here, because I did hire an electrician who actually did the wiring last time. It runs through here. See the cable over here? This one over here. Now this one is gonna have to go through this part over here, which he did. You see that he ran through the little plastic thing over there. That runs through here. So see, friend did it through here. Little plastic over here. Doesn't affect anything. Just moved it a little bit. The cable does run through here. See the cable there is connected to the fuse number 15. That's the lighter one. Why we connect that one over there is just because once you turn off the car, just in case you forget to press the switch, then in that case the car will turn off with the fog lights. So pretty much it helps you remember, you know. Now the installation was run through, you see the cable over there, red one. Alright, so this is a cable that runs to the switch. You see the switch over there, the main cable over here, this one. So this one was run through pretty much the front of the car through the engine base. So you can connect to the switch, which does fit right here. It's a perfect fitment, and connects right here to number 15, which connects to the lighter fuse, which once you turn off the car, you turn off the fog lights without having to press the switch. Alright fam, so to take the bonnet over here, we have two extra ones. We just use a flat screwdriver, really simple, no magic in it. Just put this one over here, see if it actually does fit, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit. Let's see, I guess this one has a little arrow there. Maybe like this. No, maybe we follow the arrow. Yes, looks like that's gonna be it. There it is, see? Easy stuff, it's gonna fit there. I don't wanna put it on there yet just because it's gonna do the wiring on the back, the bottom, so FYI fam, if you're trying to slide them, you know what I'm saying? Slide them. Careful, because there are little spaces there in between, so you won't be able to slide them. Alright, so just be careful with that. You have to take one by one if you want to move them. There you go. There it is fam, you gotta put just a little bit of force, but you should be okay. I think it does fit right here. See, got your extra one over here. Gotta push a little bit more, but it should be in a sec. Just like this one, got a little force. Of course this one doesn't have the button over here, so you can definitely press this one and it clicks on. There you go, there you have it fam. Real nice and simple, easy money, you know what I'm saying? Alright fam, this is the switch over here. As you press it, you see it lights up, looks really nice, real fancy. Do it again, off. There's two ways you could do this. I personally would go the safe way, running the cables through the front of the car so I can get the switch where it's supposed to be, where it's made to be. A lot of people just put it right here, you know, just do a whole knot over here, so you can, and then just leave the switch here so they can press it on and off from here from their engine bay. Personally, I don't recommend that. I don't do that. I prefer, this is why I don't lie to you guys, I'm honest. I do know how to install the fog lights, the wiring. I do hire someone to do it under 50 bucks, to be honest. Just goes through, you hire someone professional to do it. Much safer. These cables, I don't know how to do them. The plus and the negative, like I just told you guys. The running through this, I prefer paying someone to do it. It seems simple. If you guys want to try and do it, comment down below. Or if you, my advice is just hiring someone to do that. It doesn't take that long, it's not that expensive, you know. Alright fam, so bear with me, it's raining, it's crazy. I'm literally at a gas station doing this video because my garage is full. So this is gonna be a part 3, just because we have to calibrate the fog lights. So stay tuned, we'll get this done in the next couple days. We'll try to make it work for the fan out there. Thank you so much for the support and keep showing me those subscribe fam. It helps out, you know, a little helps. Take care, stay tuned, thank you.
Not dreaming.